Now, after a very deadly war, misunderstanding and disrespect that occurred recently between Triza, Karo Kim and Karango, another very shocking and terrible news has just emerged and currently trading all over the social media involving the two bitter ex between Triza and her ex-husband Karango Wamburaya. It's just a day after Triza exposed him so badly, where he revealed to the public that Karango never bought her in a car last year, despite that he froze it on the social media with a car key handing it to Triza. But it was all lies and calculated move, because immediately after Karango finished sharing images on social media and fans congratulated him for upgrading Triza's car, after that he changed his mind and turned against Triza in a very wild manner that nobody ever expected that he could, where instead he left Triza with a very huge loan of 3.3 million shillings, and which left Triza so heartbroken and confused and could not even be able to speak it on social media. Rather, she decided to struggle paying the loan until last month, when she completed paying everything. And in case you missed the whole expose, the link is pinned on the first comment of this video. And today another very shocking news has just emerged, and which is currently trending all over the social media, and which has left many Kenyans and her fans very flabbergasted with dozens of questions, especially at the moment everyone thought that the love, dramas and struggles between these two is finally over, after Triza recently confirmed that she is finally single and her marriage with Karango is over. But her today's move has surprised everyone. Many fans supporting her, saying that this is the best decision that she has made, adding that Triza has learned the language of the street very fast, and her heart has been hardened by what she has gone through recently, especially after her today's actions, where she has revealed and exposed the most unknown and unexpected details, and which many fans have been asking themselves without answers. But Triza has finally gained courage to speak it out today, especially now that she has already healed from the breakup. Triza, the humble mother of three, and who is now a very great social media influencer, a famous gospel minister, and who left her toxic marriage almost a year ago, and found favor from God and Kenyans, and since then she has been surprising her fans with her new looks and stylish, after she transformed from old and horrible to young and beautiful lady who is now making millions of money through her advertisement jobs, where despite all the tortures and humiliations that she went through in Karango's hands, Triza, during her live chat with some of her fans, where she was answering some of the critical questions that many have been asking themselves without answers regarding her current relationship status with her ex Karango, considering that in recent days Karango has been seen frequently visiting her and her children, and she has not been complaining or chasing him like before, and many wanted to know if they are back together or what is happening, and that's where Triza revealed, saying that she's not interested and does not need him in her life again, because Karango is already a married man and Triza does not date married men, and so Karo should relax because Triza is not interested in Karango anymore, where she added that in fact Karango is the one who has been following her up and down wherever she goes, but the fact remains that he is still the father of her kids, and if there is one thing that Triza will never ever do in her life is to deny Karango the access of his kids, because after all they are his kids. And Triza's statement left many very happy and congratulated her for having such a brilliant mind. And let me quote the conversation, where she started by saying that msifikirie tunatamani hao mabwana zenyu, we joke cause we know vile sisi huwa tunachunguzwa chini ya maji, kama tuliweza kulipa loan. And a fan asked her that, and I quote, lakini Triza ulipewa nyumba pia na anaweza kuja huko akitaka, si ndio? Nyinyi watu munapendana hata kama. And Triza responded saying, na ndio maana sikatai akuje apige picha aende. Another one asked, na sijuzi alikujia watoi unatupima? And Triza asked, akawapeleka wapi? Another one said, na hakuna vile mtu anaweza sahau na baba watoto wake hata kama hamuongeleshani. And Triza responded and revealed that hata yeye ndiye hutufuata, putting some laughing emojis. And the last one said that when co-parenting is healthy, kids are always a happy soul. And this conversation is still very tight. What is your take on this? Leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. I've been hosting Kenny Godson aka from Gestapo aka Nitramija Chikavana. Let's meet in the next video dropping right after this one. Thank you for watching.